Imagine a world where being unable to walk doesn't mean being unable to move. That's the world scientists are trying to create with their latest invention, a robotic suit, or exoskeleton, that can help paralyzed people walk again. Here's how it works in simple terms. The exoskeleton is a kind of wearable robot. It's a suit made of metal and plastic that you wear over your body, like a big pair of trousers. But these aren't just any trousers. They're packed with sensors and motors that can move on their own. The sensors are the suit's eyes and ears. They pick up signals from your body, things like the tiny movements your muscles make when you try to move. The suit uses these signals to understand what you're trying to do. Are you trying to stand up? Walk forward? Turn left? The sensors pick up all these signals, even if you can't move your legs yourself. Once the suit understands what you're trying to do, the motors kick into action. These are the suit's muscles. They use battery power to move the suit's legs, helping you stand up, walk, or turn just like you intended. This might sound like science fiction, but it's real. Scientists have already built these suits and they're getting better all the time. They're giving people who can't move their legs the chance to stand up and walk again. It's a huge breakthrough that could change the lives of millions of people around the world. But this is just the beginning. The scientists who built the suit are already working on new versions. They're trying to make it lighter, stronger, and smarter, so it can help even more people. They're also looking at ways to bring down the cost, so more people can afford it.